welcome to my channel, ADIA Sharel. Today I'm going to show you how I achieved this rod set, honey. Yes! So yes, stay tuned for that. And today I'm going to try a product I haven't tried before, the Mielle Pomegranate Honey Leave-In Conditioner. Also, a mousse. I've been seeing this around. I love the packaging and the colors so much. But I hear that it's pretty good. So let's see if it'll do the job on this 4C hair. And I am using these rods here, and I'll probably end up having to use some of these as well. So the reason why I have a plastic cap on is to keep my hair moist as I go through the process. So I'll put this much. Let's see what this does. Ooh, very smooth. And then I think it'll penetrate my hair nicely. I'm not going to use a lot of product because I want this to dry in my lifetime. Pump some of this mousse in there. About that much. See. Okay, and I'm going to take one section at a time. I'm going to start with the small ones and just really make sure you smooth it at the bottom. Roll it around, get it nice and taut, and then wrap. Just like so. And make sure you don't do it too tight because you don't want to hurt your scalp or have any tugging or pulling at your hair. This out one more time. Okay, and make sure the end is uber smooth. Okay, and then just twist up. With the mousse, it dries pretty fast, so I was moving like a speed demon. So just keep that in mind, which I'm okay with that because I want it to dry. Like I said, my hair takes forever to dry, forever. Back is done. Let me just show you. There you have it. Let's keep it going. And I kind of hold it out away from me because if you do like roll it down like this part, the top part will be loose and this will be super tight. So you just want an even tension all the way through. So I'm just going like that. Okay. And I am in California, so it's dry out here, so I don't have to deal with humidity too often, which makes styling a little bit easier, I would say, when it comes to these type of hairstyles. So let's see how long this lasts, especially if this mousse is doing what it needs to do, and the do is doing what it needs to do. You get it? Again, holding it out. Getting a nice tension, but not too much stress. We want tension, but not stress, you know? Y'all, I am at the top. This process is going smooth, honey, like this Mielle, babes. And I'm using bigger rollers this time, too. So I'm curious to see how it will turn out. Because you do want to play with the size of your curling rods too, just to see which size works best for your hair. Works best in the sense of preference, like what look you want to go for. Yes, I am done. So I'm going to sleep with this. Hopefully, it won't be too uncomfortable. And most importantly, hopefully, it will be dry. That's what we want. So I'm going to wake up and show you all the finished look. Good morning. So all of the curling rods have dried. I am now going to take them out very carefully. You see, I'm unraveling. Ooh, look at her. I'm unraveling in the opposite direction, really taking my time, really being gentle. And yeah, just go ahead and take all of those curling rods out. Yes. Last one, shake it on out. So I just took a little bit of shea butter and rubbed it all over my hands. And then I'm just going to go in and just, smush it on the curls. And then we start to unravel each curl. I am separating into two for now because as the days go on, it will become fluffier and fluffier. And sometimes if you pick it out and pull it out too much in the beginning, it'll be a hot mess really soon. And you don't want that. So now I'm just going to take a pick and go into the roots. That'll fluff it out, give it more volume, and then you can shape it into the style you want. You might just want a straight up fro. You might want a boxier shape. I decided to let some bangs come to the front. I did pick it out just to get a little bit more volume in the front, but you'll see that I'll put a little curly bangs down to the forehead. I thought that was really cute. And don't forget the back too. Sometimes you can forget the back and then have all these spaces. So I'm just playing around with it a little bit more on my fingers. I don't mess around with the back too much because that gets a little messed up faster. And there you have it.